Today I'm going to restore an old stool.
Off on this project, I'm going to remove this old beaten up top with this picker tool which I got from my mum's sewing box. The fabric is so old I can literally just rip it up. Next, I'm going to peel off this part right here. Here it is. It might look like I've totally wrecked the project, but I'm actually going to put my own pattern over the top of this, so hopefully that looks nice. But at the moment, I'm going to put another little piece the same thickness as these in the middle, right there. Now I'm going to draw a line across here and on all the boards. I'm going to lay it across here and hopefully I'll have enough. We've got this one, and that one. So I'll just lay them across in the pan which I want, mark them all out, and then I cut them. So let's do that. Now I've cut these two pieces. Now I'm going to glue them on to these two pieces. Okay, and sandwiched in between all these little pieces is the plywood and pallet wood. Okay, so this is the pattern which I want. Now I'm going to glue it all on. You might be wondering what these little plywood things I put on here are for. They're for keeping the whole thing level because these were smaller than these. Now, I just need to wait for this to dry. These little pieces came off, one on this side and the other on this side, so I'm going to need to glue that back together. And then I'm going to rasp it a lot and then sand it with the sander. After stacks of sanding, here it is. It's really nice and smooth now, and I think I'm going to stain it. So we finished working on this part. Now we just need to work on the bottom part. So I'm just gonna sand that, file it, and see how it looks. Before I do any of that, I need to address this. It's out right here. So I'm gonna need to try and clamp this and glue this in. So I've just cut a strip of sandpaper and now I'm just going to rub it like this the whole way across. And it's drying, pretty much dry now. Now I'm going to put some olive oil on it to enhance the colour. Well, leave it down in the comment section below if you like the seat. I liked the way how it shined up and everything with the varnish. So I'll see you next week. And if you like my content, maybe you could consider smashing that subscribe button.